Hello. Hi, everyone. It's Nicole. It is Wealthfluential Wednesday. We are so excited. Last week, we went through our first week of launch. We're super excited. Today, we are going to talk about whether or not credit repair is a scam. So if you were following our launch, you know that one of the fears, one of the doubts that I had starting Wealthfluential was that people would think that I made it over to the dark side and that, I was just trying to scam people, because scam and credit repair kind of get mentioned in the same sentences frequently. I actually learned so much launching this business in regards to how the credit repair industry is viewed. Did you know that payment gateways like PayPal or Square or Stripe, they do not work with credit repair companies? So in order for credit repair companies to accept your payment, they cannot be using PayPal. They can't use Square. They can't use Stripe, because credit repair is considered a high-risk industry, and those payment gateways do not work with high-risk industries. Now, you may say, Nicole, I worked with a credit repair company in the past, and I was able to send my payments to them via PayPal. Just know that over time, if that company continued to grow and had a larger volume of payments through PayPal, PayPal would red flag it and they would shut that account down. So that's one thing I've learned. Some major banks do not allow business accounts for credit repair companies. There are a few major banks that will allow you to bank with them as a high-risk credit repair company. So I learned a few things about that. But when I think about the credit repair industry and the people that I've learned as I've gone through my certification, the people that I've met, what I've learned is there is a small fraction of people who are out there maybe making wrong choices, maybe trying to get to results in an unethical way. But the majority of people who are in this industry really do want to help, and they really are trying to follow the rules. And some of it is just not knowing the rules. The other thing that happens a lot in credit repair businesses is that clients will request refunds. They will request chargebacks. They will say, hey, you charged me and it was inaccurate. It was fraud. I didn't get what I paid for, right? So that's another reason why credit repair is considered high risk. From a bank's perspective, I'm always having to give refunds on your account, and if you don't have the funds, the bank has to cover it. That is a high risk industry. From my perspective, a lot of those things could be avoided if we educated our clients before engaging in a credit repair contract with them. So that is my intention here today. I really want to make sure that all of the people who work with us absolutely understand what credit repair is and what it is not. Okay, so what is credit repair? Credit repair is the removal of inaccurate, obsolete, and unverifiable information from your credit report, as it is reported by the three major credit bureaus. Again, credit repair is the removal of inaccurate, obsolete, and unverifiable information from your credit report. Notice I did not say credit repair is the removal of debts. Credit repair is not the removal of debts. And so one of the major issues that clients have is, I went through the credit repair process, things were removed from my credit report, my credit score rose, that was amazing. And then 6 months later, 9 months later, a year later, this thing came back onto my report. I don't understand. So this is the education piece. Credit repair is not the removal of items that you owe from your responsibility of paying them. It is only removing them from your report. So how do they get back onto your report? If the creditor that you owed decides to say, I've got 500 people who owe me money and I haven't made any success in collecting those debts from them. I'm going to sell the debt to another debt collection company. And that is how we end up in collections. Your debt has been purchased by another company. Well, when that happens, guess what? That company is going to go through those 500 people, take your information and give it to the credit bureaus. And now a new debt shows up on your credit report. Now, that company is going to work those 500 people, call you, text you, call your mama, reach out to your neighbor, do all of those crazy things that they do when they're trying to get their money. And then if they're not successful, they will sell you to another company. And so when that happens, that company adds your information to the credit bureaus and it gets added to your report. So what we end up seeing is multiple instances of the same debt showing up on a credit report. Or once we've successfully removed unverifiable, inaccurate, outdated information from a credit report, once that debt gets sold again, it will show back up on the credit report again. And that's what's happening. So it's not that the company didn't do their job. It's that credit repair does not remove your responsibility from paying the debt. Now, a really good credit repair company will give you all of the strategies and the tools and the tips to not only remove items from your credit report, but also help you with the debt management piece, right? How do we address that debt, right? So that is what we aim to do. I hope you guys hear me loud and clear when I say this business was literally started out of the frustration of seeing my clients who want to purchase a home, purchase an investment home, become a landlord, get their first home, and they're trying to increase their credit score, and they end up in these situations where they've given people a lot of money to help them increase their score, and they're not seeing the results. And again, a lot of people are out there trying to do the best they can in the credit repair space, right? But when we're not educating our clients, people end up with the wrong expectations and then they're unhappy. So when people ask me, is credit repair a scam? It's not a scam. It does exactly what it's supposed to do as long as you understand what credit repair is supposed to do. Now, debt management is a completely different beast, right? Budgeting is another beast. And guess what? We have clients that come to us and they'll have a low credit score. I'll look at their credit report. They have 100% on-time payments for the last 24 months. No collections, no charge-offs, no judgments on their credit report. Very few inquiries, and inquiries take up 10% of your credit score, right? So they've got very few inquiries. Their utilization, 90%, 83%, 95%. Is that person a client, a candidate for credit repair? No, they're not, right? We don't have anything to remove from their credit report. Yeah, we can get those inquiries off. It's going to give you a little bump in your credit score, but it doesn't necessarily address the utilization. Now, here's where we're different from other credit repair companies. We will look at that client and we will say, hey, we have a strategy for you to lower your utilization. Right? If you are a client of mine and you have come to me with credit repair, you've already received my email that outlines, here's how we can lower your utilization without you having to spend a dime. Now, I'm going to say something people don't want to hear, but at the end of the day, you have to pay your debts. You have to turn around, face those debts, address them, and pay them. Credit repair will help you get to where you want to be in terms of a creditor looking at you and thinking that you're credit worthy, but it does not remove those debts. And unless you have a strategy, a budget, a plan to pay off those debts, you will be a repeat customer. You will be an unhappy customer. You will find yourself in the same situation over and over again. And we are here to break the cycle. That is our purpose here at Wealthfluential. We want to educate you on credit. We want to elevate your credit standing, and then we want to liberate you from the worries, the stress, the drama, the anxiety that goes along with not having access to the wealth that you deserve. That is what being Wealthfluential is, and that is why we're here. So I hope you guys got some information that you maybe didn't know as we talk about, is credit repair a scam? No, it's not. But make sure you know what credit repair is. And let me tell you something else. If you have someone out there who's telling you that they can guarantee, promise, absolutely certain that they can change your credit score, please be careful. Please be careful. People are going to real jail behind credit repair fraud. We are not fraudulent. It is illegal for any credit repair company to guarantee or promise a specific increase in scores or within a certain time frame. Right? We cannot guarantee that. These credit bureaus have their own rules and regulations that they follow. They make decisions based off of the information that we send in. The only thing we have to stand on are the consumer laws that we use to protect and defend our clients. That is what we can guarantee. We will guarantee that we will use the laws to the best of our ability to help our clients. That's the only thing we can guarantee. Anything other than that, it might be a scam. All right, you guys, that was our Wealthfluential Wednesday. If you have not already, please sign up on our website to, join our newsletter, get more information about what we're doing, what we're building over here. And absolutely, if you are in need of credit repair, if you know someone who's in need of credit repair, please reach out to us. We are knowledgeable. We are experts. I have been helping people purchase homes as a career for a long time. So if you're interested in credit repair in any shape, form, or fashion, please reach out to us. Make sure you like and follow our page. And I would love it if you'd leave a comment underneath this video. All right. Have a good day, guys. Bye.